Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. So I just decided to make a quick little video of installing these projector lights on the Cadillac DTS. I get a lot of people asking about these. Now, there's no direct plug and play for the Cadillac DTS. There are for other Cadillac models, but as far as the DTS, you have to do a little custom install. So I purchased this kit off of eBay, and it comes with both projector lights, and it also comes with this little hole saw to install them. So this seems like a pretty good kit. I think it was like $20 or so. I'll leave the link in the description where I got it. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wiring them to the courtesy lights in the door, and it'll basically be up to you how you want to make your connections or whatever. I mean, there's a million different ways of connecting the wires and stuff. So basic tools that you're just going to need is just, you know, your wire cutters, wire strippers, and stuff like that. I mean, it's nothing too advanced really, but we're gonna see how this works out. See ya. Okay, so I already have a video showing how to remove the door panel, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is come up right here behind your door handle and pry off the little piece, which would be this right here. Mine is vinyl wrap, so it's a little bit different. But you'll just want to pry that off with a flathead screwdriver. Then you'll have a Phillips screw behind there. Just remove that. And then just go around your whole door panel with a door panel removal tool or a flathead, anything, and just pop it off, and it'll come off really easy. Just trying to make this video as fast as I can. So right here, on your courtesy light, you'll want to attach your red wire from your light onto this wire right here. Then you'll want to attach your black wire onto this wire right here. And you can do that however you want to. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use some wire nuts on here. It's just going to be more temporary. It's not going to be permanent. So it's just be real easy to ever remove if I want to, and go back to just the regular lights. But you'll just want to connect your red wire to this one, and then your black wire to this darker wire right here. And then the best place I've found of placing the light will be right here, because you have enough clearance, because the lights are pretty long and you don't have enough clearance over here or anywhere right here. So the best place will be right here. So let's go ahead and get onto that. Okay, so I went on ahead and tapped into my wires right here with these wire nuts. And before you even make your connections over here, you want to make sure you put this little washer on right here and just screw it on. And you can put this little screw on there to tighten it down right here. And this is what the light will look like. Just want to show you guys. This is what it looks like. So it looks pretty good. Now, all we have to do is reattach the door panel, which is just snap it back on these clips right here. Make sure you put it on this lock right here first. Just set it on there and then push it on. It'll all snap into place really easy. And yeah, that's what it looks like.